back home. It's nice to get back to my good old hideout. Some may find the decorations a little crude. I got all the comfort and equipment I need right here. Let me show you around, my friend. My favorite workshop, where my experience allows me to become even more badass. Yeah, it is possible. Workshop. With enough raw materials, I could build a shitload of stuff that would come in mighty handy in the right situation. Science, Rakash. This cupboard could fill right up with anything I need to change my style of dress. Here's where we write the story, or where I rewrite it. That's all well and good, but I got a contract to finalize with that salty old fart, Ephron. No doubt he's hanging around that beat-up tavern east of Thoban. Thoban, a slum, a rotting corpse with perfume sprinkled on it. The goblin plague has ripped this place a new butthole. Now it's just a wet, stinking shanty town for scumbags. This vessel belongs to Ambassador Arsidi. It's about the only thing still in working condition in Thoban since the Green Plague. I wonder what goodies are inside that thing. But for now, let's focus on me getting laid. Paid. I always forget how the Green Plague has ravaged this part of Thoban. This town was a nice place before the plague got a grip on it. This district used to be as busy as a whorehouse on payday.
See you next time, Styx.
What? Did you forget something? Carnage Squad.
I've got a deal for you, Goblin.
My name is Styx, human.
So you speak our tongue.
Yeah, and I can also cut yours out.
You speak to Captain Heledrin with respect.
What's the deal, Captain?
I want you to steal an ambassador's scepter. There'll be 10 times more if you help me, Styx.
10 times, huh? The ambassador must be snug up there in his flying palace. So either I gotta learn how to fly, or I gotta find a way to get on board the airship that just arrived. Then I'll just have to sit tight until it joins the rest of the fleet. Well, this is where the shitstorm begins. A shitstorm for anyone who gets in my way. The architecture of this town, what is that? Early fucked up period? I could almost believe that it was all designed to make my job easier. No wonder that the goblin plague is so devastating.
No, it's because of the goblins. One of them vomited on some of the cargo. We realized it a bit too late. A customer ate one of the fruit.
He threw his guts up.
Yeah, puked up everything he had, and then he died. Then and there. Sad end. Well, I still got things
I may climb on roofs and scale walls, but you won't catch me wearing a stupid white tabard with a hoodie.
Where's the airship headed?
We're loading it with supplies for Ambassador Arcedes' ship. He's some sort of aristocrat.
The kind that wants the very best without caring about the price or where it came from. Our favorite kind of customer.
The loading bridge is lifted. That Heledrin better not have been lying, or she's gonna end up in a box. But hers will be buried in the mud. Where's that scepter? Good. Now I just gotta wait for the pilot to hear about the new flight plan.
Captain, I came to see if a change of course has been requested.
Looks like I'm pretty good at counterfeiting. Hurry and go tell your master. I'm waiting.
Please come through, sir. We have orders to approach the convoy.
Okay, let's go.
That's it. We're moving. I'm coming for you, RCD. I love it when a plan comes together. Ooh, right on target. Then again, you'd have to be as blind as a Roby to miss a target of that size. Wow, what a view. It's in these moments of wonder that we realize how great Mother Nature is and how small we are. Although in my case, there is no shortness of opportunities to appreciate my shortness. See what I did there? Never get used to that. So now what? I'm gonna crash in singing Happy Birthday? Sneaking into the little trapdoor above the entrance is more my style.
Get out.
As you wish, sir.
seem to have grown even smaller, little mouse.
The hell with you and your bullshit magic.
A talking goblin, eh?
Yeah, I can talk. Fuck you! Can you change into a sandwich? I skipped lunch.
Your resistance is remarkable. Nothing personal. Oh, so you're using amber, are you? In fact, it is personal.
What's going on?
A goblin! He stole a scepter! Alarm! Alarm!
I will find you, and I'll shove that scepter where the sun don't shine. Shape-shifting elf and a thief. Well, I hope that Heledrin will believe this.